Hello, Custom Air and Plumbing. This is Cisco. I spoke with Mila earlier this morning, and I promised I would send out this video to just give you guys some tips and tricks on your website as far as what you can do to outrank your competition and just be able to generate more revenue for your organization. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. Some of the things that I look for right away is I look at content. Do you guys have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And I also look for specific keywords. Okay, for example, this is good. So great job, guys. Air conditioning, heating, and plumbing contractor, Sarasota, Florida. So this is good, right? Because you're targeting specific keywords. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So you want to tell Google exactly what terms or what keywords you want your website to be found for. Now, let's just jump over to this tab here. So this tab here is called Ahrefs. This is a tool that helps you understand how well your website's performing. Now, let's jump over to this section. So this score right here at 34, what this means is that this is your strength or your authority score. Okay, and it's really, really good at 34. This is your trust flow or your trustworthy score, and you're being indexed at 26. Great job, by the way. Now, what makes a difference or what impacts these scores are your backlinks. Okay, you currently have over 2,000 backlinks with 227 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere where you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement for your website. However, not all backlinks though are created equal. So it's good to understand that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. If you were to get, for example, a backlink from Pizza Hut linking back to your site, it can actually hinder these overall scores there's a lot of factors, but that is just some of the major ones. Now, the organic keywords, this is the last thing I want to go over here on Ahrefs. So you're currently being indexed with over 1,000, and you have quite a few. But what I'm looking for is I'm looking for buyer intent keywords with service areas to be specific. Okay, so you service Sarasota. So I want to look for those type of keywords and see if you're being indexed. Because like I mentioned, those are buyer intent keywords. And what I'm looking for is, for example, let's just categorize it by volume. Basically what volume is the amount of potential clients that are searching on Google every single month. This is an approximate amount. Okay, so AC repair, the volume is super high here, and this is good. These are the keywords that you want to be ranking for. Now look at your position though. Okay, you're dropping every single month. You're at 34, so you're probably being ranked at, I would say, anywhere between the 5th and 6th page of Google. Let's look at your competition though. What are they doing and what are they being ranked for? Once again, I'm looking at content. They have some videos here, but I'm looking at how well their website's performing because they play a lot of factors, and it seems like they have quite a few of content. Now, let's go to Ahrefs and see how well they're performing. Look, their strength is 26. Their trust flow is 14. They have less backlinks. They have a little bit more referring domains, and they're only being ranked for 409. Now, you're probably wondering, well, okay, how does that impact me? Now, let's just look at AC repair, though. Okay, remember. Then look, they're also ranking for air conditioning repair, and where currently right now, you're not ranking for that. Okay, you are ranking for this one, but look at this keyword, air conditioning repair Sarasota, and look at the volume. So now they're being in front of 500 people every single month. Whether they're businesses, whether they're residential clients, guess what? They're being in front of those. And look at their positions. They got number 3 and number 4. So let's just take this keyword and type it into Google, okay, and see what pops up. So right away, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the Google Guarantee section. These are Google Ads. So anytime somebody calls them, they just get charged what is called a cost per click. But hey, they're getting a phone call in, okay, because these are buyer intent customers. They're not there just messing around. They need support. Now, this is my favorite section. This is the GMB or the Google My Business page. The reason why is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. And I don't see you guys being ranked on here, but I'm going to give you guys some tips as far as what you can do to continue ranking higher. Couple things. One is getting more reviews. and responding to those reviews, getting optimized content on your GMB and optimized photos. And the last thing is updating your potential clients about information about your business or anything else that you may be launching. There's a variety of things that you can do to update your GMB with. The last thing is the organic listings. Okay, these is where Google are just ranking folks based on their index scores where I showed you Ahrefs. Now let's look at Yelp. They're taking the #1 spot. This is like a citation site. And then these guys, right? D&D Air, which is what we spoke about, they're being ranked #2. And then we have AC Warehouse and so forth. Now, it's super important to understand where you're currently at, because guess what? These guys are going to be getting all those calls, because remember, and I want to emphasize on this again, buyer intent keywords, these are the type of keywords that you want to be ranking for, because you're going to get potential clients within the Sarasota area. Anyhow, there's a lot that I went over. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me back with your thoughts. If it's possible or impossible, really, can I get your feedback? I will love your thoughts on any of your takeaways. So if you can email me back, that would be great. No strings attached. Like I said, this is all informational based. This is just an education video. So if you have any questions or just want to chit chat about the video, let me know. I'll be more willing to talk to you guys. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.